Hi everyone, my name is Christy and welcome to day 844 of trying a new makeup product every day. Today I'm going to be trying out the BLINC Black Lash Primer, and I got this in my May Boxycharm box. So I just did my unboxing of my Boxycharm base box compared to my Boxycharm premium box, so I'll have that video linked down below if you want to see it. But I'm so excited that I got a mascara primer. I've never gotten a mascara primer in any of my subscription boxes before, but I love it. I use mascara primer every day pretty much. I love the Lancome Sills Booster XL lash primer. I also love the Shop Miss A $1 lash primers, but I just feel like lash primers have really helped my lashes grow long because they have nourishing ingredients. Like this one here contains vitamins to nourish the lashes, so you can use this at night as a lash treatment as well. I've never heard of the brand BLINC Inc., but I love trying out new brands, but it seems kind of expensive because this cost $26, but it's cruelty-free, waterproof, gluten-free, fragrance-free, oil-free, sulfate-free, paraben-free, talc-free. So I figured I'll apply this to one eye and then I'll also apply mascara and we'll see if there is a difference. Whoa, this applicator is kind of weird looking. It's not what I expected. So it has a very slight curve to it and it's kind of flat and it's bare on the front and the back. Like there's no bristles on parts of it. So that is strange. Very interested to see how this will work. So it says to apply a coat. Ooh, whoa. That went on very thick and not all over the lashes. Hopefully I can comb it through. Oh yeah, and it's a true black color. But yeah, this says to apply a coat and then wait 30 seconds before applying more. Well, this is a lot thicker than I was expecting, but it adds a lot of volume right away. But I kind of wonder, what's the difference between a black mascara primer and just a regular mascara? Like, why wouldn't this be just a mascara? I'm actually really liking it though. Now that I'm combing it through, it's really separating the lashes. I felt like at first they were sticking together, but then as I comb through them with this applicator, they're all separating. So it looks very fanned out and full. I also feel like it's kind of lifting and curling the lashes. Wow, this is turning out to be really, really nice. Oh my gosh. So that is one layer. I love how it looks. I love when my lashes get separated and individually coated. Like, look at the difference between my lashes with just one coat. So I'm gonna wait 30 seconds and then apply some more. But I love this as just a mascara. Anyways, not even just a primer, but I would wear this alone as a mascara. It's very, very dark, true black color. Very volumizing, lengthening, curling. Does everything I want my mascara to do. So I'm going to add a second coat now and see, oh my gosh, it is very buildable. Oh my gosh, this is so volumizing. And I really like this applicator. It combs through the lashes and separates them. Wow. That gives a false lash effect. It looks like I have so many more lashes now that they are so full and volumized. I am seriously so impressed right now. I don't even feel like I need to apply mascara on top of this, but they say it's a primer, so I'm going to try it out. So I'm gonna go ahead now. I've let this dry for about 30 seconds, and I'm going to apply mascara on top of it. And I'm going in with the Il Makiage mascara. I don't really know if this is even going to make a difference because my lashes are already fully black and volumized. Yeah, like you can't really even tell a difference with mascara applied on top of it. But these are some very full lashes. I love it. I'm going to go ahead and apply this mascara on its own to the other eye just to really see the difference that that primer made. Whoa, what's really interesting, which I didn't actually really expect, is that the lashes with the primer look more black, like they look darker, where I thought that this Il Makiage mascara was fully black, but then when I see the difference, the black mascara somehow looks darker. And there is a drastic difference in how volumized and full and lengthened the lashes are. Wow. That is crazy. It looks like I put on some false lashes, like some strip lashes onto this eye, the eye with the primer, versus without it. That's amazing. I love having full, long, dramatic lashes, and this primer does that. Look at the difference with the primer versus without it. Like, I like this mascara. I like how those lashes look, but that it can get this extreme is amazing to me. I am like blown away by this eyelash primer. Wow. $26. I kind of feel like that's worth it. I really care about my lashes looking long and like growing them. So putting on this product that has the vitamins to nourish my lashes, but then also giving that extreme length and volume effect, I just feel like that makes this so worth it, and I am so excited about it. I can't stop looking in the mirror at the difference. It's amazing. Well, if you have tried out this mascara primer, let me know your thoughts on it in the comments down below. When I was looking this up online, it looks like it has really high ratings, and I absolutely agree with that. I would also rate this 5 stars. It really impressed me. At first, I wasn't so sure if it was going to work out, but when you comb through it, it just does amazing things to the lashes. And I really like that applicator. It was so easy and clean. I didn't get any mascara on my eyelid at all, so I think this is perfect. Well, thank you so much for watching my video today. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel so you can see the makeup that I try every day. And I will see you tomorrow in my next video. Stay safe and healthy.